Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to stop background apps quickly. First, verify the device and plug it in if battery is low. Open Settings or System Preferences and navigate to Apps, Applications, or Background Apps. Once there, scan the list for active running apps or processes. Make sure you're viewing all apps or running to avoid missing anything. If available, enable Advanced or Developer View to see system services. This helps you identify which items are truly background processes versus foreground tasks. Now you'll identify the real culprits. Sort apps by CPU, memory, or battery use so the heaviest ones appear first. Tap or click an app entry, then choose Force Stop, End Task, or Close. On mobile, open App Info and toggle Background Activity or Background Data off. On desktop, right-click in Task Manager or Activity Monitor and choose End Process. Once stopped, confirm the app doesn't relaunch automatically. If it does, disable its Auto Start permission or Startup entry in the Startup tab. Finish by preventing relaunch. Open Startup or Auto Start settings and disable the app's entry or revoke its background permission. Once done, restart the device to ensure changes stick and monitor battery or CPU to confirm improvement. If an app refuses to stay stopped, clear its cache and data, update or reinstall the app, and check for system updates. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing relaunch. Safe mode isolates system services, so you can identify the offender.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.